On the occasion of the 30th anniversary of FACC, 200 key opinion leaders of the international aerospace industry gathered to celebrate the success story of the global leader at designing, developing, and manufacturing aircraft components and systems. With state-of-the-art technology, the guests were immersed into a fascinating world of FACC, guided by attributes of future and innovation. Impressive shows, indoor and outdoor, captivated the guests throughout the whole evening. From visuals, music, decor, to culinary specials, the event was designed to create an unforgettable guest experience. The last official event sequence included live introductions to the company's products and perfectly embodied FACC's expertise and precision work, complemented by a spectacular show finale. The evening was rounded off by an atmospheric lounge club setting, including projections and mood lighting, thereby setting the perfect stage for informal exchange and networking. The event was a complete success. 75% of the guests celebrated the anniversary until the final closing at 2 a.m. This unique occasion of personal interaction among international decision-makers resulted in strengthened global business relations and new business opportunities. As a direct result of the event evening, FACC received 3 new orders, totaling in the higher 3-digit million euro range.